is solid. The roof is solid. It's beautiful. So after I saw the giant spider last night, it was pretty much game over. I was doing okay with like the lizard entering in and out. It actually got entertaining to watch to see where he would show up next. But the bugs really increased last night, and then the spider that sealed the deal. It was just so hot and humid, and I was just comfortable, and I was like, why are we doing this to ourselves? And I was afraid to go downstairs to go outside because I had a feeling like the spider's just gonna jump on me and it's just gonna eat my face off. And then I saw a cockroach when I went to the bathroom, and it was like, nope. So we decided to move. We left the old Airbnb 2 days early, but we have this one here and it's so nice. It's got air conditioning, and so I'm just laying right here and it's sealed all around. And I think it was a good move for us. Unfortunately, I can't hack it as a Costa Rican. I'm not cut out for it. The people are very brave here. It's just not for me.
Hi everybody, if you follow our channel, you know we are typically driving around North America in our RV showing you awesome things. But this time, we flew to Costa Rica and spent 16 nights exploring the country in January. We learned so much about Costa Rican life and have many amazing and crazy stories to share with you, like insane driving, beautiful waterfalls, and incredible wildlife. We will be releasing a series of videos to acquaint you to this wonderful jam-packed country and help you plan your own trip. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this gem of a destination.
Good morning, everybody. Today, I have apparently booked us on a private tubing. We are going tubing down the Rio Celeste.
Oh. I got stuck. Sorry. It was a good start to the day already. Gracias.
River rafting was a blast. It was way different than our time in the lower gorge. It was a lot of fun. Felt bad for the guide. He kept having to fix us all the time, get us going in the right direction. Absolutely essential to have a guide though. So many rocks.
I didn't really love the amount of rocks that this river had. Even though the rafts have a bottom to sit on, you still sink down into the river, and the guide would always call out butt up, which means you need to bring your butt up, otherwise you are going to be taking a rock in the butt, and trust me, they hurt.
It's so pretty out here. I didn't wear my contacts. They said I could wear my glasses. Well, I had not. I just hit a big rock with my tailbone. Oh my gosh, this country is gonna kill me. Oh hi, where am I going? Crap.
That one didn't matter.
I feel like just constantly keep your butt up. Wow, big rock. Do you know what Mario Kart is? Mario Kart?
Yeah.
Like the video game? And then you go off the track and that thing has to come and like pick you back up. I feel like that's what you're doing to us.
I don't know.
You had to do it again.
No, you're gonna get.
Also, I am not a professional rope swing user. Maybe the third time would have been better, but I'm still learning, so we'll have to give that a try some other time.
Senor, where are you going?
We really enjoy river rafting in the times we've gone, and we will continue to look for places to go, and every time we see one, we will probably go.
I got it again.
What?
Right in the butt.
Oh yeah.
I finally have found a snake. I'm so excited. What is it? We almost walked right by it. It's so skinny. We just got back from one of our most favorite tours. It was a sloth tour that I had booked, and this guy, his grandpa owned the land and now he operates it, and he grows cocoa and sugar cane and other things, and he also does these little nature walks. We saw 7 different sloths every day, multiple times a day. Him and his wife will go out and they'll look to see where the sloths are, because believe it or not, they do move, and sometimes they move faster than you would expect. And so he was ready and waiting for us. He gave us a little walking stick, and then we went out looking, and oh my gosh, it was so awesome. He pointed out so many things to us. We saw frogs, bats, sloths. It was super cool. This is how you can have lunch in Costa Rica. Dougie here, Kitty here, Dougie here.
This is our 3rd night tour, and this one was way different. The other tours are like, don't ever step off the path. There could be something there. And it's like they instill fear in you. This tour was just like, oh yeah, we're just gonna wander through my property. And the grass is knee-high in a lot of places, or higher. And I'm gonna have my kids and my dogs wander around with us too. Oh yeah, here's a snake for you. It was just pretty insane. It was fun. We didn't see as much as the other tour that we saw before, but I had more fun just because it was just like, let's just wander through the jungle and see what we can find in the dark, which is totally not what you would think you should do in Costa Rica.
It was very nerve-wracking, and us, you know, silly gringos, we wear shorts and they wear long pants and boots, and so we felt everything on our legs, and so it made us a little nervous, like what's crawling on my leg right now or brushing up against us. I was super excited to see the snake. It was an eyelash viper. We had seen one of those in the Mystico hanging bridges on our tour, but it was so far away and I couldn't really even capture it very well on my camera. This time, like, we were only feet away from it, and Christian, the guide, even walked right up to it and took pictures with my phone of it. It was so neat, and I'm really glad to see that. It's a venomous snake, and he told his kids to stay away from it, but that was super cool.
Yes, it was like we found the Latin American version of Steve Irwin. He's poking in trees trying to find tarantulas, and I had a lot of fun.
This is the 2nd millipede I have resolved, and why? This is the 2nd spider I don't understand.
Okay, in the box.
Get in the box. Go, go, go. Get out, get out, out. Is he out?
Yeah.
He's not on the box?
True, man.
Okay.